there, I'm your host, Yumi, and this is the Hot Seat. Today in the Hot Seat we have Mr. Steele.
G'day.
Mr. Steele, are you ready to keep your cool in the hot seat?
We'll see.
Your time in the hot seat starts now. What's your favorite holiday destination?
Newcastle.
What did you have for breakfast?
Weet-Bix.
Who is your favorite singer or band?
Ooh, good question. That's a hard one. Vance Joy.
What are you most afraid of?
Spiders.
What's your all-time favorite movie?
Ooh, Shawshank Redemption.
What's your favorite gadget?
Calculator.
Describe yourself as a teenager in 3 words.
Cheeky. Mucking around, fun.
Here's some special questions about Miss Russo. What's the last Disney movie you watched together?
Aladdin.
What's the first country you visited together?
Vietnam.
Who was the last person to wash the dishes?
Me.
It's quick fire question time, and that's time. Thank you for coming along today and being such a good sport.
Thanks,
Who would
Miss.
you like to nominate next?
Next up, Miss Russo. Let's see how she does.
Okay, Miss Russo, you're next. Prepare yourself for the hot seat.